Banker, when I was based in Dubai, used to call me and said, "Hey Shivan, I'll give you 12%, close to 12% returns in US dollar terms." And I used to be very surprised back then, and I used to ask specifically how you're doing it. And he used to explain me the whole concept of converting into yen and trying to, get the returns. And I was completely amazed by that. I used to read the fine prints. I never made that financial decision though, but I want to explain you some concept today which is very important, how you take your financial decision. At least I have taken that. I'm talking about back then when I was in Dubai several years ago. I don't want to name the banker as such. Now, something which is very commonly now everybody's talking about, and I have not taken that decision because I was not comfortable with that, because I was carrying a bit of risk, even though they sounded as if there's no risk and you're going to get 12% return, and they were selling the product as if it's a fixed deposit product. That was shocking to me, but actually it was not. Now, it was basically on the fine print was saying that you're taking the whole risk and you're trying to convert that as a fixed deposit. I said that's not good, because just give me the plain vanilla version. I love plain vanilla versions around it. Now, eventually, the whole thing now everybody's talking about the yen carry trade, and I think that was a part of that whole thing. And what is yen carry trade? Essentially, when interest rate was so low in Japan, people were borrowing there and investing in high yield bonds, assets, or stock market or cryptos. And recently crypto crash was come in. They're saying one of the factors was that because now everybody's selling the bonds of Japan, and that means the yields are going up. What does it mean? There's always an inverse relation, because there's so many bond people selling, price of bond going down, and the yields are going up for that bond. And hence now there's that particular whole yen carry trade is no more as lucrative as it was earlier. And that could be one thing I'm looking at as one of the risk today, which several years ago I said no to it, even though it was looking so lucrative. Now that is coming back into foray, and that's where I have to manage my risk properly, because I'm invested in stock market, as you know, in multiple markets, and things crashes, you have to take the decision. Hence, that's why I always follow technical first on exit, and fundamentals to have the conviction, and then technicals for entry. So that is what saves you in this journey. So this is what my strategy will be, and I just want to give you that story so you understand that. So hopefully you get some leaf out of this experience, that keep simple, keep clean, and don't try to go into exotic assets if you're just starting up and you don't understand fully. Shivan Bhate here, signing off from Peaceful Weekend Investing. Thank you. Bye bye.